a drone that weighs under 249 grams. I don't know the exact weight, but it's under 250 grams, meaning it is technically a toy drone. You don't actually need a license to fly it outside, but it can withstand winds up to 25 miles an hour, and it can fly up to around 40 miles an hour, yeah?
I didn't know you had to have a license to fly drones.
Show them how it folds up.
And then you can
These
fold
are
it.
folding drones. A policeman can put it
Just-
in his pocket. A fireman can put it in his pocket. A soldier can put it in his pocket.
But yeah, currently there's 5 different models total out. There's the Maverick Mini. Then we have a few of those. There's the Mavic Mini 2, Mavic Mini 2 Pro. Then there's the Mavic Mini 3 and Mavic Mini 3 Pro. This is the Mavic Mini 3 Pro with the controller that has the built-in screen to show the camera. And then it's just a simple takeoff. Taking off from the helipad, you just push in both joysticks, and then you can. The right joystick is for movement, forward, back, left, right, left. Then there's the yaw, which is moving with the left joystick from side to side. Then the left joystick is also the altitude, throttle, up, down. I have it in sports mode. It's the fastest.
Is it like something that has like some kind of wind that's blowing it down?
Yeah, how do you make it go down? Yeah.
It's not?